Alright, let me take a picture. Ready?
Around 20 to 30 minutes.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Hello everyone. We're going to go to the Dory show today. And we're at Animal Kingdom.
Yep. We just parked at Animal Kingdom. We are celebrating the first week of Homeschool. And he did so good this week. So if you're new here, my name's Brianna and I have 3 boys. This is Landon and we're doing a solo trip today without the twins. Yoshi's watching them at home. This is his last day off before he goes back to work. He's been off for a whole month. So the whole month of August has just been so like honestly busy, but on like so relaxing at the same time. We had a really nice family vacation. And we just got back and jumped right into school, and I'm so proud of him. Like, I know it's a little bit of like a transition for him and I to kind of jump into something that's so like intense right away, but he did really good this week, and I wanted to celebrate him by going to the park for just a couple of hours, and we're gonna get our pass holder magnet. What else do we need to do? Oh, the Nemo show, it starts in an hour, so probably gonna do the magnet first, and then if we have time, stop at the Dino playground, because it's closing in like 4 or 5 days. We're at the end of August. I think it's September 1st or 2nd that they're officially closing that park. And this one grew up at that park, so we're gonna make our last minute stop and close out that playground before they build something new. Well, we have lots of good memories at that park, right? That was fun. I don't think he knows what I'm talking about. Okay, but let's get inside. It's a little bit overcast today, so we might get some rain. 2, 3, go like this. 1, 2, 3.
I'd like to invite you, morsels, to a little party, old man. What's your breakfast, mate? Couple of tasty bites. Right then, a meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the children are. It's awesome. Breaks on the beach, then
Come on. I'll see if I can fit.
Let's see what's food out on.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at this way though.
Let's see where to go.
Go.
That's where we were.
Oh, all right, let's go through it again.
Let's go the way that we didn't know where all the lawns were. Like the stone thing.
Oh yeah. Right here. Again, another one. Try other ones. Try that big one there. The big one.
Mom, let's do something else.
Whatever you want.
Maybe to explore.
Let's go. Whoa, what are you, Spider-Man? Oh my gosh. You want to go up the stairs?
Might not be like that. Everywhere we go around the park, I'm looking for the house now. We'll find
Yeah.
the world.
Let's go across to that boneyard thing where you dig.
Oh, where is it?
Follow the bridge. Go that way.
It's on.
Yep. Here we go.
Dino.
Wow. Nice. Let me take a picture. Ready? Really doing Spider-Man moves today. What does this say? The mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. Whoa. Look up.
Come in, Mom.
I could come in here?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Put just a little bended walkway.
Ooh.
Put this. Put your head down.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Thanks, bud. He just took a picture of me. Let me see it. Ooh. Alright.
Look at my flower.
We got the gluten-free chicken strips. Coke Zero. What'd you get?
An orange.
Here.
French fries. And mac and cheese. And what thing is chocolate milk?
And our view is dinosaurs. Nice. Look at Mom.
While we're driving into the reserve, I have a quick but very important safety reminder that we have to go over. Look at the horns in that bomb.
There's one right there.
See the horns? Kind of like flat. And there'll be another one up ahead too. They are try that again. They are fairly solitary animals. You'll usually find the saddle-billed stork either completely alone, or pretty cool to see a hippo out of the water. Right.
See it, Landon? Back here, look.
Hippos spend most of their day in water. They're very sensitive skin. They'll use their large numbers to their advantage, especially if you do anything for 20 hours a day. It does not leave a lot of time for anything else, like sleeping. So an adult giraffe will usually only sleep around 20 to 30 minutes a day. And that's not going to be at the same time.
Wow, Landon,
Throughout
that
the day,
was
the
so
giraffe will
close.
stop and take 2 or 3 minutes. And the springboks, those are those smaller antelopes on that hill. And like I said, springboks, one of my favorite animals. They are small, but very fast. Those little antelope can run at speeds of 55 miles per hour. Puts them in the top 5
Whoa,
fastest land animals.
Another glass.
But not only are the springboks fast, but also really good. Springboks get scared, they can spring 6 feet straight in the air. That can bring their body temperature down by as much as 15 degrees. Because we call air conditioning. When I catch up to take a peek at the 2 African rhinos. And the only species of rhinos in the world that live in social groups. Other rhino species tend to be a little more solitary. And a group of rhinos is called a crash. A crash of rhinos. Zero on that side too.
What's that sound?
More laying under that tree up there. And that's what lions do for most of their day. Resting and sleeping. They'll spend around 16 to 20 hours of their day just resting and sleeping. Conserving their animals. They tend to stay behind to protect territory. They'll keep an eye out on any cubs that may.
Wow.
Also, watch the ears of these rhinos when they drive by.
Landon, I'm here.
So their ears will keep spinning, pointing in different directions. What they're doing is keeping an ear on things around them they may not be able to see. Rhinos don't have the best vision, but they have incredible hearing to make up for it. So they will rely mostly on their hearing. The ostrich.
Wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary nutrition experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw.
All right. Just got off the train. What's that? Look at the one on the bridge. Or the one down here, he doesn't want to be bothered. He's like, leave me
Under that bed.
alone.
His head under it. You see that one?
Oh, he has a bed. Yeah. Aw. Hi.
Hi. You want a picture?
You know where to pat him, right?
Yeah.
All our older Nigerian goats are Disney sidekicks. We have
Aw.
Vader, we have Gus Gus, we have Sven, Mushu.
Oh my gosh, I love these names.
We used to have Kronk and Pascal. They're on the safari though now.
Oh my
So
god.
they're still here, just on the safari.
Show me.
He's right there.
Yeah.
He's hiding.
And that guy?
This is what they are.
Yep. This is where they do when they work on the animals. Remember when we were looking on the TV like that?
Mom,
This is so cool.
take
How the sea turtles hatch their eggs, right? And this is what it would look like.
oh.
And a shark. Wow. Hi!
Squirrely?
I don't have any food for you. Oh, he's like, somebody drop some popcorn.
And eating it.
Yeah, it's okay. Doing our homeschool lesson, our outdoor classroom today, right? We gotta make the tree color, Landon.
Oh.
Here,
It's green and brown.
get a green out. Oh, maybe we can use this.
It's
Whoa.
for the weave. And some branches
I like this blue. Here, you do it.
for branches.
For the waterfall. Oh, did you bring brown? I guess we'll just come later when we get back home and do the tree brown. This is the green, but the tip is broken. Let me mesh it. That's pretty, right?
Yeah.
This.
It's definitely good.
Do it sideways. I'm over here doing all the work, and you're just eating a Mickey pretzel.
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's see our tree. Does it look like it? It's on. Thank you. Look at this. Ooh. It's the Just Keep Swimming drink.
Oh. I
try that?
didn't know it was just to keep swimming. I didn't know it was just to keep swimming.
Try that. It's like airy.
What is airy?
Try one of them. Try it. Like when you bite it, it's not that like chewy. It's like airy.